So you started a YouTube channel and you've been struggling to get subscribers for the longest. I'm going to show you easy tricks that will work perfectly. If you're also trying to build your Facebook community or build your Facebook following, this trick is also going to work for you. So please stay tuned to the very end. Hello, welcome back everyone to another beautiful video. So yeah, we're going to get straight into what we're going to be doing today, and I'm just going to show you simple things or simple thing, whether it's a thing or things, whichever one, that's going to help you build subscribers for your YouTube channel. So you've been struggling all this while to build subscribers for your YouTube channel, and even if it's followers for your Facebook page, because I actually do both. I see a lot of people still come to me for Facebook advice. Well, this thing is going to work for both. In fact, it works for every kind of thing you want to do on social media. So now I'm going to be showing you what you can do that will help you build subscribers in less than a week. In fact, in 7 days. Yes, guaranteed 7 days. This is going to work. Now let's remember, this is for Facebook, right? This is for YouTube or Facebook. So if you're going to be posting on your YouTube, it's best to post YouTube shorts. Yeah, post YouTube shorts. If it's Facebook, post Facebook reels. Now let me show you how you can actually do this, without wasting so much time getting subscribers. Now let's go to Instagram. Yes, you heard me right, Instagram. I know we want to post on Facebook, we want to post on YouTube, okay, but let's go to Instagram. So on my Instagram, I click on my search, you can see the kind of videos that came up. You can decide to look for videos that have a lot of views, or if you have a particular type of video you want to work with, that also works. For me, I'm going to go for life hacks, like life hacks, tips and tricks. Okay, why do I want life hacks? People always want to learn new things. People want to do DIYs, right? So because people want to do DIYs, they want to learn something new, and these things just take few seconds and people can watch them. So what are we going to do? So look at them. As I clicked on, look at this one, has 47 million views. This one has 15.5 million views. Oh, okay, this is banana. Why didn't I know this before? Okay, so should we, whichever one you want to pick here, look at this one, 31 million views, 20 million views. You need to go for something that has a lot of views, because it is going to help you. Because if this thing can get 20 million views here, if you can get about 50,000 views, whether for your Facebook or for your YouTube, this is gonna, it's something for you. So let's try whichever one you want to try. Okay, let's pick, or you can go through everything here and see, okay, which one do I think I should pick. But I can actually start with the very beginning. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to click on, look at it, the likes, the comments are 3,000 plus, the share is 8,160. Then the people that sent it out, you can see. So let's click on the send out. I will copy the link. So once we copy the link, I am going to use this black hole. I use black hole to download. So once you click on black hole, it will allow paste. This is the easiest way to just get a video from Instagram. Okay, so it's downloading already. So once it is done downloading, we'll go to the next thing. So now that it is done downloading, it has saved it directly to my photo gallery. So the next thing that I do is I just go to my photo gallery and do what I'm supposed to do. But before we do that, let's go on camera. So now let me show you how many seconds this video is. So this video is about 31 seconds, just 31 seconds only, and this can go for a short and it can go for a Facebook reel. So you can see that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I put myself on camera like this, like you can see that I'm putting myself on camera like this, and I will just record a video. So what am I going to do? I'll just record myself like so I can do this for roughly 40 seconds. The video I wanted to upload is about 31 seconds, but I can do this for about 40 or 50 seconds, just in case there are places I need to correct or do something. At the beginning of the video, I can say something, please watch this video. Like I can just do something like this, watch this, like watch this. Like I can make different reactions, I can do different things, you understand, to just get the video or to get what I want to get. So yes, I can cut this now. So So I ended up recording almost 1 minute. Not bad though. So the next thing we're going to do is edit this simple video you just saw. Now we're going to edit it, and we're going to do it in such a way that I'm not going to get any strike, or I'm not going to get any violation from any of this, what's it called, any of these platforms, whether Facebook, whether Instagram, whether even YouTube. You're not going to get any, oh, you violated, or you did this, you did that. Nah, we're not going to get any of that. So it depends on how you edit it. How you edit this is going to determine what happens next. For a lot of persons, they just pick these videos and post. That's why when I see people come to me, excuse me, please, I have a lot of Facebook violation, I don't know what I did wrong. You copy somebody's video and you just posted it directly. You don't do that. You don't copy people's video and just post. You have to put a lot of life into that video. You have to put a lot of edit. Just add a thing or two to that video. Add your own value. Don't just pick videos and post. Add value to this video before you post it. So what are we going to do next? Let's go to our CapCut. If it's In-shot you use, if it's CapCut you use, whichever one. Now I have done a beautiful tutorial on both In-shot and CapCut. If you're still very new to editing, or you're not sure how to go about all the features, you know, on your editing software, both In-shot and CapCut, I have done a beautiful tutorial that will help you, that will guide you through. Like, I have over 30 plus videos showing you guide by guide how to use this softwares. Yes, both In-shot and CapCut. If it's In-shot you're comfortable with, you use it. If it's CapCut you're comfortable with, you use it. So this tutorial is going to help you. The link is in the description. So while we are going to the next thing, why have you not still subscribed to this channel? Subscribe, turn on post notifications, so that when I'm posting educative videos like this, you'll be able to see it now. Don't you want to see it? And also, for those who ask questions about violations, or you made certain mistakes on your Facebook or whichever one, you can reach out to me. I will help you on how to sort them out. Yes, but like, I'm putting you through this now so that you don't have violations. For those who have violations, of course, the best thing is always to delay it, but sometimes people still have something beyond that. So that is why I'm teaching you now how to do proper edit that will not give you that problem. Now I'm using CapCut. If you're using In-shot, it's not a problem. So now let's add a new video. So I'm going to add my own video first. Yes, I'm going to add my own video first. For some persons, they add that video first, but one thing with that is that sometimes these people can claim ownership of this video. So I'll advise you to put your own video first. It is for a reason. So now here's my video. So this is me. You remember at the beginning I was saying a whole lot of things. Okay, let me forward it to where yes, when I started now reacting, because I was talking. So I'm going to cut that part out. So now I've cut it out here, as you can see. So everything here now, I always like to remove this ending part. A lot of persons always make the mistake of not removing this ending part. Please, always remove the ending part. Why are you removing the ending part? Because they won't flag your video, or they won't push your video when you have a lot of watermarks on it. You ask me, well, how come I have this other watermark? This one that is here, this one can easily be cropped out. How do I crop it out? All I need to do is go to crop, and I do this. Look at that. So I can crop it out that way. Let me still do it. You can do it. Let me crop it more so that that part is out. Okay, so I've cropped it out. So that part is out. You can look at that part of the other, it's out. It's just between me and you. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is bring the overlay. So bring overlay. So add an overlay. So I'm going to be adding this particular video as an overlay. So I'm going to crop this video to come inside, or I just reduce it. Let's just reduce it like this. So if we reduce it like this is fine. Do you need my face to show? Not necessarily, but if you want my face to show, not a problem. So look at that, and this video is just 31 seconds. So I can cut out this other part. So like this, I have reacted. This is what you see a lot of people do. When you hear them say, oh yeah, watch this video, and sometimes when they are done showing this video, sometimes they still make comments or tell them, let me know what your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know. I need to know what you think about this in the comment section. You can see that. But for this is maybe already you are properly into reaction and review videos. Yes, if you're properly into reaction, but this one we are trying to build subscribers here, we are trying to build followers here. So that is all you do. So by the time I play this video now, So look at that. I'm trying to play it so that now that I'm done with this, I can export. Let me export this. So once I export it, I can go into my YouTube shorts. I can go into my, you know, Facebook Reels. I go straight to Reels to post. So this is how you get to do videos like this. And guess what happens? You're going to get your subscribers or your followers in no time. So if you post videos like this, morning, afternoon, evening, meaning you're posting like 3-4 times a day, trust me, in 7 days, you're going to get the number of subscribers and even more. Yes, we know the requirement for YouTube is 1,000 subscribers. The requirement for Facebook is 5,000 followers. But imagine doing this consistently. That means in 7 days you posted 21 times viral videos like this, life hack videos like this. If it's relationship videos you want to post, you can. Sometimes try to tweak or try to sound controversial, you know, sometimes, because such things actually bring views and followers to you. So are you going to be trying this out? Please let me know in the comment section and let me know how it worked for you. Do not forget, if you're not sure how to edit or you need proper guidance on how to start editing videos, please, I have a course, a full course that will help you with that. Also, you've met with your Facebook requirements and you're trying to monetize, you want to go through your content monetization. I have a course also, and the link to accessing the course is down below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification.